In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a square box outline in Photoshop 2024. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just starting, being able to create clean, crisp shapes is a fundamental skill you'll find incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up Adobe Photoshop. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new canvas. This is where your design masterpiece will take shape, so click on File at the top, then New. When you do this, a dialog box will appear, presenting you with various options. For our purposes, set the resolution to 300 dots per inch, or DPI as it's commonly known. This resolution is ideal for ensuring that the final image is clear and precise, whether you're planning to display it online or print it out. Now that you have your canvas ready, it's time to bring the square box into existence. Navigate to the toolbar on your left-hand side and select the rectangle tool. This tool is perfect for our needs as it allows for easy creation of rectangles and squares. Once selected, simply click and drag on your canvas to form the shape. If you want a perfect square, remember to hold down the Shift key as you drag. This handy trick ensures that all sides are equal, resulting in a perfect square outline. The next step is all about personalization. With your square outline still selected, you'll notice options at the top of your screen to adjust the color and thickness of your outline. Personal preference and project requirements will guide your choice here. Click on the color swatch to open the color picker and find the hue that best suits your vision. For thickness, you can increase or decrease it using the stroke weight input. How thick or thin you want the outline is entirely up to you. After you're satisfied with how your square box outline looks, it's time to save your work. Go back to the File menu and select Save As. Here, you'll choose the format that best suits your project requirements. For web projects, formats like PNG or JPEG are great due to their smaller file sizes. If you're preparing a print or a project that requires editing layers later, consider saving it as a PSD file. Type in your file name, select your preferred file type, and save it where it's easy to find for future use. And there you have it, a sleek, professional-looking square box outline created right in Photoshop. It's a straightforward process that, with a little practice, will be second nature to you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel confident in using these skills in your future projects. Don't forget to like and share if this video added value to your design toolkit. Until next time, keep creating.